This is the 50th annual Sully Meet, the 50th year that we've done it at Sully Plantation. They now refer to it as Sully Historic Site. We have 30 acres, plus or minus, that are involved with the show. We have a lot of cars. We had 265 cars pre-registered, which is the only way we do it now. We used to have day of show registration, but because there's only a single road coming into the show, it made for a real nightmare trying to get in. Apparently we have only 120 cars that didn't show up, so we had a little bit more than half. So it means we'll give out a little bit more than half of the trophies. It's cool, it's in the 70s, it's a little misty at times, but it makes for a great show because it's a lot less stress for those who put it together. So it's a great show, always have a lot of fun. We have first, second, and third class trophies. They're all judged, it's appearance judging. Hope you get a chance to come and see us next year. It's only $10, rain or shine. It's a great deal, you'll have a lot of fun. It will be on Father's Day. We hope to see you there.
I have a 73 Triumph TR6 British Racing Green. I've had the car since 1979. I did a complete frame-off restoration on it, starting it around, I think, around 2013, 2014. And it's about a 4-year project. I'm the second owner as far as I know. It was my daily driver for up till about 84, 85. And clutch started going, kids started growing up, and it sat in the garage for the next 30-something years, just collecting junk and dust, and never ran. So I was getting close to retirement, so I said I got to do something with this car. Went and bit the bullet, did a complete frame-off restoration. Fortunately, there was very little rust on the outer panels, just a couple of rust spots on the internal panels. At the time, it was sienna brown, which I never really cared for, but again, the car to me was a daily driver. Sent it off, got it completely repainted to British Racing Green. Engine's been completely overhauled. Finished this, I guess, about almost 10 years ago now. And then each year you just, you play with it, and upgrade it, and improve on it. It came originally with overdrive, which is always nice. But yeah, we have triple carbs on it now. I've got a complete new brake system on it. Fun car to drive, and enjoying it.
This is a 1971 TR6. My father brought it new when we were stationed in England. I was 16 at the time, and the only thing I could do to it was wash and wax it. I was not allowed to drive it, and it was my father's favorite car. But what he did was he brought it as a, quote, birthday present for my mom, who was very small and couldn't even turn the steering wheel. So we all knew who the birthday present was for. And it's been in my family ever since. My youngest daughter has told me she she wants it after I'm gone, but she's not in a hurry for me to leave. I have been meticulous about taking care of it and trying to make it a good car. And my father was the same way. I have a whole file drawer of records, including the original paperwork. That's about all I have. Other than I love this car.
This is a 1976 Triumph Spitfire 1500. I've had it since 2015, so I'm coming up on the 10th anniversary of it. And I've put about 10,000 miles on it, and it's just rolled over 80,000 miles. Haven't done anything to the body or the paint. The only thing really is it was in need of a refresh when I acquired it, so I refurbished the interior and then some mechanical things as they've broken down in those 10 years. So I refurbished the entire cockpit with new carpet, new vinyl, new seat cushions. I put in a custom wood dash that I finished with a walnut veneer with tung oil and beeswax finish. I inserted a oil pressure gauge. The radiator has been replaced. The water pump has been replaced. The hot water valve has been replaced. And the mechanicals otherwise have been pretty good. The car runs really well right now, and I love it.
Got a 1980 Triumph TR8. It's a very rare car. They only made 3,700 of them.
2,700.
2,700, I'm sorry. And this is my co-pilot, my driver. We went up and got this in Massachusetts. It was a rare car. One of the guys in the Triumph Club gave us a ride in his, and it was just a wonderful ride, and it sold us on wanting to have that. This is my retirement car. It's fun. We took it to Carlisle last month, 400-mile loop on the highway, and it ran great.
Yes. So I've been her co-pilot for about 30 years, and this has been a fun adventure. I get to drive it some myself, but since it's her retirement car, I'm a little antsy, but she has seen me put it through its paces, and it's fun. So I enjoy it. I also enjoy being a part, or having her being a part of a club. Because you get to meet other people who have vast amounts of experience working on these cars, because that's part of the challenge. So, yeah, it's been a blast.
And the club has a lot of fun people in it. It's good to spend time with them.
And like life, they invent a destination just to make the journey.
give an introduction, and then we'll start giving out the trophies. So without further ado, Milford Sprecher.
Hello, everybody. Thanks for turning out for our 50th, Jim? 50th, 51st, what? 50th Sully. And I'm sorry the weather couldn't have been more cooperative, but it's not bad. And I'm happy that everybody showed up, and thanks for bringing your cars. It's always a good time, and at least we weren't sweating like we have in the past. So again, thanks a lot, and we'll be doing the award presentation here.
Okay, and now we've got the MGs and Triumphs. Starting in third place, we have Matthew McGuire for a 76 Triumph. And in second place, we have Ben Cheshire for a 71 Triumph. And in first place, we have Doug Dahlhoff for a 73 Triumph. And then in Mercedes-Benz,
We have one other award to give out, but we don't know where the Sully staff is, so we'll simply have to reward them with a write-up in our articles. Thank you all for showing. Hope you come next year. I'm scheduling the same temperature next year, but no rain.